Hi everyone, we're gonna try to bake the softest possible cake. So here we've got some ingredients. There's cake flour here, we've got the self-raising one here. We've got white sugar, 5 egg yolks, milk and oil, and then the egg whites from 5 eggs. We've also got this vanilla extract as well to go with it. We've got 2 trays out and we've got the oven preheating. So now to begin.
Again, he's married this time. This guy gets married every day.
By heating up some milk and oil. So we've just poured it in. Oil and milk. Once it's combined, and I think we're ready to go now. Now we're just going to add a bit of flour. That's the self-raising flour. And now we're mixing it in. Now we're adding in the egg yolks. There's 5 of them there. Just going to mix it in. We've got a creamy texture there. Now the next thing we're gonna do is add vanilla extract. Now we're adding in the vanilla extract. Now we're going to mix that in. By adding the egg whites into a separate bowl. We're just going to wait till we get a little bit of a soft bake. Once the egg whites are at a peak, add white sugar, soft peak right there. Now what we're going to do is mix that in with the rest of the ingredients there. Add it bit by bit and until you have all of your ingredients mixed in together. Just make sure everything's mixed in together. Make sure that you have a smooth, creamy texture. Now over here we have it coated with butter and we've got baking paper on top, and we're just pouring in the entire cake batter in there. We've just added some water. We're just going to fill it with water.
No, I'm not.
We're just adding this all into the oven, which is already preheated. And now we wait for 1 hour. If it is cooked, the pig's clean, so it's good. It's out of the oven, looks good. Look at that, beautifully soft. Look at that, absolutely soft. Just going to remove the paper away from the cake. Look at that, absolutely beautifully done. Baked right through. Soft.